Hi, Jim Shaw here again from Crystal Group. I want to spend a moment talking to you about that initial contact that you're going to make with your server supplier, your rugged server supplier, whether that's Crystal Group or somebody else. Make sure that you have essentially a list of what you want to accomplish with the system that you're looking for. What's the purpose of the system? What is it that you're trying to do? And that's important to be able to convey that to the engineers that are helping you try to spec out the system. What is the goal? What are the most important requirements? And more specifically, what are the things that are not so important? Things that maybe we could trade on to help you meet those goals. And things like a system description. Do you have an idea what it is that you would like to put into the system? And then, we would take that information and look at it from the standpoint of, okay, how can we fulfill those requirements and what parts and pieces can we put together to create a system that would best meet your needs? One of the things that we do frequently is we may come back at you with a sort of an out-of-the-box thinking idea for solving that problem, maybe a slightly different way. So if we know what things are willing to give on or move or compromise on, we may be able to provide a more optimum solution or a better solution. Look, we don't build airplanes, we don't build submarines, we build computer systems. That's what we do. So if we can help you optimize that configuration so it best meets your needs, then everybody wins. So that's essentially my pitch to you for providing us with a system description so that we can help you be the most successful. So thanks a lot.
Join us next time for another shiny object at Crystal Group.